Hi everyone, hey, it's Diane from Diane Mom Garden Videos. Today I cooked spaghetti squash. Look at that, doesn't that look good? Here's what they start out with. And these actually keep for a while. But you can cut them in half, you can cut them however you want. Some people do them in rings, but I just cut them in half. A little bit harder to do. So now I cooked it at 400 for about 45 minutes. And before I put them in, I sprayed the pan with some, you can do olive oil, and then you can put some olive oil, rub it on the squash itself with a little bit of, I use in this Himalayan pink salt, I sprinkle it with. It kind of gives it a little flavor, kind of caramelizes it. And now it's done. So now you just go like this. I'm going to have to let it cool. And look, doesn't that look delicious? Look at that. You can use it as actually spaghetti noodle type, right? Use this instead of the noodles. And I've done that, and I think it's very, very delicious. Look at that golden yellow color. Isn't that pretty? I also just take it, eat it like this with a little Parmesan cheese on it. Yeah, I spoil it with that probably, but it's very, very good that way. And I've also noticed is you can freeze this really easily. It doesn't get watery, and it comes out of the freezer almost like you put it in. So what's nice about it is if you want to freeze some up, you know, instead of, they will keep for a while, but how long I don't know, maybe a couple months. But I like to kind of put things away too, just to be safe. All right, so basically all you do is you take a fork and you just prick it. You see there's a lot in here till you get down to basically the squash shell. You get a spoon. You guys see that the shell of the squash right there? And you get on the sides, get all that good stuff off. You don't want to waste any of it. You get quite a bit out of these big ones. That's why I have to freeze them, because there is no way. Actually, it looks like you can just do a spoon too, but look, when you just do a spoon, it don't separate it. So not a good thing. So don't do that. So see the shell right here? Let me show it to you. Right there's the shell. You can get down to that far. This here, I can just prick it apart. And actually, you probably could just do it that way if you wanted. But I find it really easy to just do it with a fork. Take a spoon. And I'm going to show you how much I got here at the end. All right, look how much we got. Look at that. And this one. And I leave a little bit in for the chickens and the peafowl. Look at that. See, they get a little bit in there to eat. And here's the seeds I took out. Those are the seeds that you take out of the middle when you cut them open. I highly suggest if you want to grow some spaghetti squash, it's really easy to grow, and be fair warned, they do vine out. They need quite an area to grow. Thanks so much for watching today. I really appreciate it. You can get more information or more gardening information on my blog at Picketfencegreenhouse.info. A lot of content on there. And if you look down in the description area, I will have some products that I used in gardening. So check that out. Also, if you got any questions or comments, post them in the comments area. I would really love to interact with you and help you as much as I can. Thanks so much for watching again, and we'll see you on the next video. The main goal of this channel is to help you learn how to grow your own food. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel so you will get updated. Make sure you click on that little bell that you'll see on the channel that will give you push notifications to you when I have a new video. So thanks so much for stopping in today, and let's get going on growing.